What's up, everybody? Caleb Wood coming back to you, and got some things I want to address really quick here in regards to Nvidia's earnings today. So big earnings release from Nvidia that came in way under expectations, and a few things I want to dive into because I'm a big technology stock investor. So this directly affects a lot of the chip stocks that I've been investing in or been looking at in the near future that I think are gonna do really well, or that I was hoping would do really well. But this is something I really want to address because it does have so much impact on so many other chip companies, chip manufacturers. So the first thing I want to start off is just kind of there's three key points that they missed on that's going to really affect the stock. I think it's going to be down about 15 to 20% tomorrow, maybe more, maybe less, but that's my guess is it's gonna get hit pretty good. So first off, they missed on their revenue. They came in at 3.18 billion versus the 3.24 billion the analysts were expecting, and so that was not good. The second one was that cryptocurrency demand has significantly decreased, which is hurting their GPU unit sales significantly, and the result of that is GPU inventory issues like crazy. So they're having way too much inventory. They projected they'd sell a lot more because of crypto, and because the cryptocurrency world just has not been great lately, they're getting hit because of that, and so they lowered their guidance. So that's big, and this is a big one. So their guidance came in at, they said 2.65 to 2.75 billion for Q4 of their 2019 release, and that'll be ending in January. So this next quarter, they're projecting it at that level, when Wall Street, the expectation on Wall Street from the analysts was 3.4 billion. So they came in way under expectations, and it's because of that inventory. A lot of their resellers have kind of got a lot of inventory. Now they're struggling to sell it because cryptocurrency's been struggling lately. I know you guys have all seen the news. Bitcoin dropped below 5,500 the other day, lowest in a long time, past year. So, I mean, it's something to definitely look at moving forward. So I have a couple big questions. And how long is this slowdown going to continue? I anticipate that cryptocurrency is going to come back, that there's going to be another crypto rush, you could call it. I don't know when that's going to be. I anticipate middle of 2019. And that's people close to me, when they ask me about crypto, I say beginning to mid 2019, I think it'll start coming back. I'm leaning more towards mid 2019 right now. It just depends on when the big players come involved. When does Facebook come involved? When does Amazon come involved? And when these companies come involved, it's gonna boost. There's also a couple more exchanges coming out in December that, I mean, we'll have to keep an eye on. There's also, December is big because I think there's another, I'll have to do more research on it, but I think there's another kind of ETF kind of thing, crypto ETF that's coming out. And so we'll keep an eye on that. The crypto buzz is getting bigger. People are understanding the blockchain technology, what it can do for their business. But as far as cryptocurrency and investing in cryptocurrency, new people just aren't going into it. And frankly, people who have been into it are losing hope in it, and it's starting to decline. Second one of these big players comes back involved, then I think we'll see round two of the crypto buzz. So I still believe we're in the beginning phases of that. But as for right now, this is going to hurt Nvidia significantly. The other question is a stock that I love, AMD. Now, in my last video, I kind of talked about how I had bought AMD back at the beginning of the year, sold it around the 26 range, kind of got completely out. Now it's down in the 20 range. I was thinking about buying back in, but I don't know. I'm curious now on what's going to happen moving forward. So AMD is definitely going to drop tomorrow, probably 5 to 10% even. And so the question really is, okay, so it's going to drop. But is Nvidia's bad earnings in relation to cryptocurrency and just cryptocurrency? That's what they mentioned in their press release. That's what they mentioned in their call. They focused on the cryptocurrency demand decreasing. But AMD's new Radeon chips came out, their GPU units came out. How is that affecting Nvidia? Is it affecting them at all? So that's my question kind of moving forward. How big of effect does this have on AMD? So I'll be watching them closely to see if they have any investor meetings and to see what they come out with, because I think AMD long-term is going to be a good play. We know that Apple's MacBook Pros are going to now be using that AMD Radeon chip graphics card. And I know they've been stealing a lot of market share from Intel because of Intel's manufacturing issues. But I'm curious to see what kind of effect this has on Nvidia. There's also a lot of new chip companies coming out. Tesla's going to be releasing their own chip. They're currently using Nvidia's, and Nvidia's the best on the market right now. But Tesla anticipates their chip is going to be a heck of a lot better, heck of a lot faster, which is going to be game-changing for Tesla, but also for Nvidia. What kind of effect is that going to have on Nvidia? So, I mean, this has been a stock that's been going crazy lately. They have crazy multiples just because they've been doubling, tripling, like insane. So they've been on fire. We're going to see a slowdown significantly, at least for the next quarter. We'll see what happens, though, in the meantime. I just wanted to give that update. And if you're new to watching me, if this is the first video, if you like some of the things I said, please support the channel. Subscribe, like, let me know what you'd like to see in future videos. And till the next time, guys, thanks so much for watching.